Huh? Well, it's a lovely day here, isn't it? It's rainy and it's kind of chilly, but that doesn't stop us, does it? And we were rolling a little bit just then. This is the Iltis. You see we got a master switch there. Alright. We got oil pressure. We've got, let's see, what are we putting out? 24 volts. That was a cold start. Started up pretty good, doesn't it? Alright. Now this says Bombardier, but everything is Volkswagen. Volkswagen sold it off, I believe, to Bombardier. And they continued to build them for the Canadian Army. See, everything's in kilometers, so we don't really know how fast we're going, do we? We know a rough estimate. So, I'll turn it off and we'll get going when we're moving. Alright guys, here we are. Cruising in the Iltis. We're doing 70 kilometers an hour, so I don't know, roughly 40, 45 maybe. Gonna turn here, get off this main road. Try not to piss a lot of people off. Alright. Let the camera readjust. Now this has the 1.8, I believe, 4-cylinder Volkswagen water-cooled engine. I think it's the same engine they use in the Rabbits. It scoots along pretty decent. Obviously it has a lot more weight than a Rabbit, but the gearing's just right to where a lot of the off-road guys really like these because they can get around quite a bit. It's 4-wheel drive, locking differentials in the rear. You want to hold the camera? You want to hold the camera? Make sure you're pointing forwards, okay? Got it? Alright. Kiss me goodbye and drive me while I'm gonna try and make it up this hill. I'm four-wheel drive. Want to have the downshift here. America, there we go. got a couple idiot lights that are flashing on and off. It's just a short inside there. One's for oil level, and one's for water level. I've already checked both fluids. They're fine. My oil pressure's fine, so it's just the short inside there. You can see they're both coming on at the same time, so it's within the speedometer, or that whole setup there. All right. Hard to handle the camera and drive at the same time. I don't really have anywhere to set the camera up at. But we're doing good. Alright, I'll shut it off. I won't make it too long. Thanks for watching. Well guys, it's starting to rain and we're getting some weather. And we just lost our windshield wipers. One thing we're going to have to look at when we get home. I guess if you're going to be a true Volkswagen guy, you have to learn how to battle the elements. There's no such thing as heat, and there's no such thing as comfort. And it got dropped down pretty quick, the temperature did. So we're kind of cold, and it's kind of wet. We don't have windshield wipers, but we're doing alright. That's just part of the personality of a Volkswagen. Isn't that right? Yeah, we're doing alright. Thanks for watching.